So y'all, I asked a question in a video, did I get heat damage from one silk press? Yep, I did. I did. From a beautician. Yeah, let her talk me into getting a silk press when I wasn't thinking about a silk press. And yeah, I did. And it was worse than this. But I've been doing like protein treatments and some things to try to revive my hair, and I really don't know what I'm gonna do, y'all. I was devastated. Now I'm just kind of taking it as it go. You know what I'm saying? Like, y'all see that? All of this up here in the front. All, let me turn around. All back there in the back. So yeah, you can get heat damage after one press. However, I have flat ironed my hair several times in the past years. Never got heat damage. Um, how do I feel? I was really pissed. But I don't even really know what to say, y'all. To be, it ain't nothing really to say. I just, I've been devastated. Yes, I have. But I mean, hey, it's life, it's hair. My husband told me just stop going to beauticians, and every time, I'll be like, yeah, I am gonna just stop going to beauticians, and I will just decide to, like give one a try and say, you know what, I'm just, and I get heat damage. And the thing is, y'all, I asked her. Y'all remember me telling y'all I asked her, do you have a really good heat protector? And she said yes. I should have asked her also, how hot are your flat irons? That's what I should have did. But hindsight is 2020. So I didn't. I really don't even know really much to what to say. Now I've been devastated. I have really felt devastated, like seriously. So I started to just take the scissors and just cut it off, but I'm not. I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna, I guess, transition myself back to my kinky hair. And it's crazy because you really don't realize how much you love your kinky hair until it is straight. Y'all, the first time I washed my hair, okay, y'all know I had the flat iron. And I'm not one to really, I don't wear my hair straight. I don't even know why I let that child talk me into straightening my hair out. I really don't. I honestly don't. So I decided to do it, let her do it. But I know I wasn't going to wear my hair straight for long. I think I had it like that maybe 4 or 5 days. I never re-flat ironed it myself because I don't like my hair straight. So I never flat ironed it again. And so I got in the shower and I was washing my hair, and y'all, when the water hit it, instead of it drawing up, it fell straight. I was frantic, y'all. So I jump out the shower. I hop out the shower and I go get some clarifying shampoo. So the clarifying shampoo, the more I washed, it was just straight. My hair was completely straight. Y'all, I started freaking out. I was like, oh my God, oh my God. The whole time I'm like, oh my God, oh my God. It's straight. Y'all see it? You see up here? All of this front. All of that. And you know what? This is the area that my hair, I'm going to turn around, y'all, but I'm going to show you something. All up in here. All back there. My hair is normally it's all already like what do you call it, looser back there. Girl, all that is straight. I did do so. I did a protein treatment. I've been doing a lot of moisturizing. Um, Yesterday I did a beer rinse. That beer rinse really did help it a lot because y'all, it was more straighter than this. Like it was straighter than this. Like, and I do see it coming back, like all up in this area, right up in here, and maybe right there. But y'all, I don't know, this whole side, which honestly, that area I showed you in the back and this side here, my hair was always looser in these areas. So maybe that's why they came out like they did. But and I get a lot of compliments on my hair, but let me tell you something. When you're used to like type 4 kinky hair, you just don't, like, I miss my kinks so bad, y'all. I really sometimes just, when I have to do my hair, it's like, you know how, like, it's almost like I don't even want to deal with it. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just, a part of me just don't even want to deal with it. Like, but I know I got to. I know how to, I have to nurse it back to health. And I'm probably at some point going to have to make a decision. But it won't be today, baby. And it's hair. I know it's just hair, but you know, it's easy for people to say it's just hair because I used to be like, it's just hair. Even now, I am kind of like, it's just hair. But when you go to a beautician, you really just don't expect to walk away like I be walking away when I go to a beautician. They either cut all my hair off, they damage my hair or something. And my husband told me to be done with them. This might have been the last straw for me. But you know, like, when you just want to go to the beautician just like everybody else, or just like me, I was used to get my hair done every week, like every single week before I went natural, you know, back to natural. And that's just a challenge for me nowadays. It just, for me to find a beautician is nearly impossible. So no more. I you know, you live and you learn. That's all I can say is you live and you learn. So yeah, so we gotta figure out, we just gotta make it work until, you know, until it comes back. But so this is my gingerbread look. What y'all think? If you want to journey back to me with, you know, back to, look right up in there, straight. Can y'all see that? Straight. If you want to know what I'm doing, let me know. If you got any suggestions or recommendations, let me know. It's just a process, y'all. Like I said, I don't really know what the outcome is going to be. I'm just going to take care of it. Do protein treatments, like, you know, once, maybe twice a month. Depends. You know, it won't be like the real serious protein treatments, but not, you know, not, I mean, I know what my hair needs and when it needed. So I keep looking in the mirror, y'all, because I'm just, so now most of the time, I didn't do it last night, most of the time when I flat iron it, not flat iron it, when I flat twist it, I have to take the ends and curl them around each other and pin it down to get some kind of curl definition, or otherwise it's going to be straight. I didn't do it last night because I really just wanted to see how it was going to turn out. But I washed it yesterday, so of course it's going to be a little bit tighter today than what it's going to be tomorrow. So I know tonight I'll probably have to twist the ends up to have some kind of curl definition. I miss my kinks, y'all, and sometimes you gotta laugh to keep from crying. Y'all heard that saying, you gotta laugh to keep from crying? So I text her. Y'all know we had the hurricane coming and everything, so I text her like that Friday. And I was like, hey, I don't want to alarm you, but my hair is straight. I don't know what happened. I'm not mad. And I wasn't mad. You know what I'm saying? I really wasn't mad. I was disappointed. I probably was hurt, but I wasn't mad. I said, so I just want to let you know, I know that the hurricane is coming, so don't worry about it this weekend or whatever. But I really, really want you to know, because I really want her to know, I don't know what you did or what you're doing, but if you're doing somebody else's hair, really, my thing is be cautious and aware, because she's a beautician. And then a part of me was like, okay, it felt like something was on my hair. It felt like I had a coating of something on my hair. So a part of me wants to wonder, did she put something on it that would make it stay straight and wouldn't let it, curl back up or whatever. So after I washed it, because I washed it probably like 3 times, I think maybe like 3 times since it happened. And each time I see a little bit more, a little bit more. So she texted me back and she was like, really, I'm surprised, because I'm surprised you got heat damage after one time, because normally people don't get heat damage after one time. What? So I said, yeah, I didn't reflat iron it myself. I didn't do anything to it. It just is straight. I said, when I say straight, it's completely straight in a lot of areas. So she was like, well, don't put any heat on it, and I will what she say, don't put any heat on it, and I'll look up some things that you could do till it come back. What? Okay. So yeah, no, like I just went to looking up stuff myself. I'm not waiting for nobody to tell me what to do with my hair. So I just I did it myself. I mean, I looked up stuff myself, and it's gonna be, it's a journey. It's a lesson for me, really. I basically, I really think I'm done with beauticians, and I say that, I know, but sometimes you do have to go to beauticians to get a professional trim. So I think I'll go get a professional trim, but girl, bye. The next person tried to say something about a flat iron, get the freak out of here. You're not touching my hair with nothing other than them scissors to cut them ends, and I probably cut my own ends for, I don't know, y'all. I really don't know. But anywho, I just wanted to answer the question, because I posed the question, do you think I got heat damage? And everybody that answered that question said, no, because you take good care of your hair, blah, blah. Yeah, I do. And I have enough sense when I'm flat ironing my own hair to turn the curlers down. So, not the curlers, but the flat irons down. So, the times that I iron my own hair, I never got heat damage. However, look at me now. Look at me now. Look at me now. It's all good though, y'all. It is hair. Hair grows back. And if it starts to, like look damaged or starts breaking off or anything like that, then I will take the scissors to it, because it is just hair and it grows back. It does not define who I am. But it does bother me. Anywho, let me get out the door, go get these nails and these feet done. And I will holler back at y'all in the next video. If you haven't subbed yet, hit the sub button, hang out with your girl. And y'all have a great day, great night, great evening, morning, whenever you're watching this video. Bye, girl.